Yeah, Tyler's going uphill. So my buddy Tyler had this crazy idea to go walk in a trail with a Telerio, our Suron. I'm dying because 2 men on one thing was a bit too much, but we do it all for the experience. I might jump on for a bit.
He's got 2 backpacks on too. He's got like 70 pounds on his back.
Yeah, go.
Got my good buddy Lars into this hike. We're in the middle of Banff, in the middle of the woods. I think we've hiked about, well, I'm on the Teleria. He's hiked about 1,500 feet up now. We're, I think, almost at 6,500 feet elevation. Here he comes. What do you got to say?
Not much. I've got my water bottle, I'm happy. Good. The little track walk action, look, they tilted deep. The track in the city. What's the plan? Look, there's no plan. There is no... Happening, Tyler? Look at me, you're fucking full of... Oh, you're full of sand.
Trying to take our canopies.
All of a sudden a wind. Look. The tent is fucked, we need to go help. We need help.
Shut the RV. Dude, I don't know what's going on.
I don't know what to do.
Apocalyptic out
Dude,
here.
look at me, Mother. You're completely full of sand.
Hey, Lars.
Dude, I found you, missed the podcast. Biggest disappointment. What are we doing? We're literally hanging out.
We're literally hanging out right now. Sorry, Lars. Thanks for coming to Canada, man. Oh! Jesus! My head! Oh my God! I'm 200 pounds of
This is Canadian motocross.
Welcome to Calgary. Let's go. Take me to my house and go for a nice dinner.
Oh, when?
Right now. Right now. Let's go. Randy will have a nice meal cooked.
How fast to drive?
8 hours.
And with this weather?
10 hours with this weather.
Holy fuck. Look at this, hey.
It's nuts, man.
This is normal in Canada.
No, it's not normal.
Hey.
Shape.
You're giving me the heat on the podcast. I have to give you the heat back. All right, that's true.
That was golf.
Can't see anything. Newfke is gonna film me.
Yeah, here we go.
Already recording.
Here we go. Lars,
I just did a 40-minute moto
at
in
the beach race.
I was working out because these guys think I'm the disappointment of the weekend. So
Look at you, you got a dirt mustache.
I haven't seen it yet. Is it?
Yeah, and your eyes all
Because I
black.
was helping other Canadian teams to save their tent.
And, oh, you're looking for a ride for next year.
I already have one, man.
And your eyes are all red. What's
Yeah.
going on?
It's because I love the red bikes.
This isn't the Netherlands
No,
over here.
it's so we were looking at a nice.
Look at the sky. Look at the sky. It's crazy. Eh?
We were quietly watching a movie, and then all of a sudden the
What movie
the
you
RV
watching?
Oh, Sex Drive.
A porno.
Yeah, no, no porno. No, we were watching a funny
Just
movie.
you and a bunch of dudes
Yeah.
watching that,
Yeah.
Okay, well, how are you going to do tomorrow?
Good. I'm gonna surprise you guys.
Hey, the only reason I'm here.
I'm gonna make you disappointed that I'm not a disappointment.
That's right.
That's the deal.
I will be happy that you disappointed me.
Alright, yeah.
Okay, have a good day tomorrow.
Yeah, thank you. No, I didn't even do a 30-minute moto. So this is me and Tyler. After the day, started with quite windy. Helped a few tents to stay in one spot, and now we are.
It's crazy, dude. It was
Dude,
like,
you've got your mustache back. What happened?
dude, windstorm out of nowhere. Went from 10-kilometer-hour winds to like 100 gusts. Tents, rig tents, everything, everywhere. I saw one tent fly about 30 feet, so we held it down for the boys and helped them out.
Yeah, that's how I look. Like a 3-hour moto. This is Canadian motocross. Look how dirty I am.
Look how sandy I am.
I showered before, but we're good. Tomorrow, race day. I want to say a massive thanks to Ronnie from Timmers Vlegwerk. As you might have already seen, Timmers Vlegwerk is on my helmet. He is the sponsor of the first 2 videos, so the first 2 nationals. Go over to his website, timmersvlegwerken.nl. He's into the concrete business. He's doing basements, foundations, walls and houses. So go over there, and if you are from my area, so that's the North Brabant area in the Netherlands, you might need their help soon. Yeah, thanks again, Ronnie. Cool to be on my helmet, and thanks for the support. And get back to this video. Welcome to race 1 of the championship, Calgary. We're gonna gear up now. Just did riders meeting and ready to do the sack with Braden boy. He's really nervous. Let's go. Showy hours time practice.
Good, short. I don't know how many laps Lars did, but I only got 3 laps.
I got 4 laps and only 1 was fast.
Oh, same.
So I was in 12 to 15 and third place is to 12, so I need to step it up.
Yep.
So it's race day. We've got 2 times 15-minute practice, time practice. They're both counting. We have to do some concrete starts because we're starting on concrete here. And after that we got 2 times 30 minutes plus 2 laps. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. We're gonna go full gas. There's actually an extra part of the track added compared to the practice, so we're gonna have a few uphills and stuff. So it's gonna be a fun day. Let's take a good start and rip. Just out here in the van, in the RV, chilling out with Tyler. Tyler, show me what you're doing.
Getting the tear-offs ready, buddy.
Oh, good. I do a little bit of couch action here. Finished 11 in time practice, got a second off. Track is already getting really ruddy and hard. Wind. I don't mind if there's a little bit of rain, but 2 times 15. Well, 2 times 14 minutes. One time I did 12 minutes and the other session I did 14. So I didn't have a lot of time on the track yet. But that will do for the motos. Let's go racing.
We're going racing it, and the heartbeat is saucing right now.
Oh, Goldie, I'm so glad to be back. I mean, this year, I think we have some talented riders showing up, and I think we have some exciting racing coming up.
Welcome to 2025 Triple Crown Series, round number 1, Wild Rose MX, Calgary, Alberta, the beautiful city in the background right there, as well as the landscape. That is the pits. Look at all the teams, the factory squad ready to go. It's time to go racing the great outdoors, as they call it. Ryan Gauld, your host, and I'm bringing in my old buddy, Liam O'Farrell, former racer, former podium thread out there. Liam, are you excited? Dude, boys out there. There's Keelan Messon on the number 10 right there. Daniel Elmore, Taryn Gerber on the 42. That's Sam Gaynor on the 28 there. That's Evan Stice right there with the mailbox numbers. Quinn Amiot, Lars Van Berkel, Tanner Ward, Dylan Wright, Jess Pettis, Tanner Scott. Let's see what kind of starts you get. 2025 450 Moto number 1 Triple Crown Series. Heads are down. Here we go. Who's going to grab the road to streaming.com whole shot? Phil Nicoletti out of the gate like a rocket. Is he gonna grab it? He is! Phil Nicoletti, Luan Kawasaki, the first whole shot of the year. And they're both not that far. Van Berkel's right there. Like you said, this entire group is gonna be a great one to watch, because if you look at the top of the screen right now, Pettis, he's got 3.1 on Dylan, and they are 11 seconds ahead of Nicoletti, who is 8.8 seconds ahead of Quinn Amiot. So once again, the top three, we said it, are pulled away and definitely destroying the field.
Like in qualifying, he came out and was the first qualifying 3 seconds a lot faster, which is kind of like a statement. I mean, he's just showing that he's ready to go on this Yamaha. Oh, Lars.
Yeah, Lars Van Berkel looking down at his bike right there. I'm not sure if something's wrong with it, or if he's just getting a piece of dirt like stuck in the foot peg or something. They're keeping it off, possibly from a run. But awesome to have Lars.
Just back from Moto 1, not so good start. Worked my way up to 5th. Actually passed Elmore really nicely from 6th to 5th, and then make a stupid mistake. So he passed me the way that I passed him the lap before. Then I was catching him. Last lap I tried to go for the pass, but just couldn't make it stick. 6th position. Number 1 and 2 were far away, but 3rd position is, well, quite possible. So let's go for second moto, and it's a short break. So let's go. Gear up, drink coffee, and let's go.
I think we'll be in for like pretty good. If they go to the States, I think they're gonna show us some of what they got.
All right, looking at the start. The boys are ready. The board is sideways. The final one of the day. Go! Gate is down. Starts, it looks like Pettis has got all from the outside. Keelan messing. Oh, he almost throws it away. It's going to be no problem. MX101 FXR Yamaha, just Pettis to the lead.
Shit end of the day. I had a shit start on the concrete. Tried to make up passes, had a pass made on a guy, but our lines collided and had a crash. I had new pants, but that's how hard he hit me. Then coming up, I had another little tip over. I tried my best on the last lap and finished, I think, 12th. Not how we want to start the day. Forgot a Charlie horse, or however you call it, so a bit sore. But this was opening round number 1. Moto 1 was good. First was shit. I'm just disappointed. But yeah, this is because I'm a racer. Oh, now gear up and up to the next race. Brayden,
Yes.
tell me what you think of today.
First moto. Second moto.
Oh, you had me on camera.
We have to improve the starts, eh?
Yes.
Work on them, on these damn starts.
Yes, these damn starts.
But Goldie was right. Disappointment of the day, LVB. What do you think, Chris?
You did great in the first race, buddy.
Thank you. And then I started to make dirt samples in the second moto.
Wow. When people are running into you.
Yeah, that's true.
Right?
Well, good thing is, got a new chance next week.
That's it.
So now
You did really good in the first race.
I was happy with this. Yeah. Now we're gonna drop Brayden off at the airport.
And Dan.
Gonna fix some filters
Good
out.
animal.
Oh, Dan, where's Dan? There. Dan, you happy?
Always.
How did your rider do, Tyler? Tyler,
Tyler, he did the opposite. First moto, not so good. Second moto, a little better.
Alright. So we need to be harder on him.
Yes.
He needs to get his act together.
Precisely.
Brayden is agreeing. Alright. See you guys in Cold Lake. The rainbow is on the vlog because Chris wants this.
Here, let's get some rap music.
Not a bad way to drive home from the first national, seeing these massive mountains. Chris hitting the steering wheel, all happy.
Tired, very tired.
31 minutes left. You tired? Big day, huh?
Yeah.
Big but first good day as a team owner, right?
Yeah.
Gotta improve at Cold Lake, but we're on a good
we
way.
did really well. I do.
Fourth overall
was
for
happy.
Quinn. Yeah, that's the most important thing. Well, Chris, thank you for giving me this experience.
You're welcome, buddy. Fun having you around.
Thanks, appreciate it.
Good morale booster.